Hi everyone, welcome to Grace's Kitchen. Today we are making Liberian shortbread. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Liberian shortbread is a delicious, buttery treat. Here's a simple recipe to make it. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Instructions: preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and mix well. Gradually add the flour and a pinch of salt, mixing until the dough comes together. It should be a firm dough but still pliable. Shape the cookies. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut the dough into desired shapes using cookie cutters or simply cut into squares or rectangles. Bake the cookies. Place the cut dough pieces onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. Cool and serve. Remove the shortbread from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy! Once cooled, the shortbread can be stored in an airtight container. Enjoy with tea, coffee, or as a delightful snack. Tips: ensure the butter is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. For an added touch, you can sprinkle a little granulated sugar on top of the shortbread before baking. Enjoy your homemade Liberian shortbread.